Hey there, J.H Refrigeration and Appliance Repair. My name is Amar Wakal with Taurus SEO. We are a Lexington, Kentucky-based marketing firm specializing in SEO, paid advertising, and reputation management. We're really in the market right now looking for a business in the appliance repair sector right now, specifically in Lexington and surrounding areas. Doing some research, we came across your website and we're really interested to work with you guys and see if a partnership is something you would be interested in as well. But just to build some good faith, wanted to make this video for you and show you a couple tricks on how you can yourself increase your search engine optimization and get your business to rank higher on Google. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how important content is and what backlinks are and how they affect your website. So first, we'll come over here to Google. The first thing you want to do is if I typed in appliance repair in Lexington, Kentucky, we can see the businesses that are popping up in this map pack. This is prime real estate. This is really where you want your business to be. Most people, when they're looking for a service, they're obviously going to Google it, and they're really going to be going to this map pack, and it's really most of the time it's going to be on their phone, not on a laptop or on a desktop. And when they're using their phone, a phone icon appears right here next to the website, which gives customers an option to immediately call your business. So if you're not popping up in the map pack, and if you don't have a number associated with your Google My Business, then you're losing a lot of business here. So these three companies, TIS, Appliance Repair, and Appliance Service, are pretty much eating up a lot of the market share when it comes to appliance services in Kentucky. So if we come down now, so this is the map pack. So we come down here to the organic listings. There's ads up here, but really this is the organic listings. And the top three websites are, Rick Green's Appliance, Expert Appliance, Appliance Repair. These are also, Appliance Repair is up here and it's also down here. So they're pretty much eating it up right now, getting 75, maybe 80% of the calls, because when customers call, they're going to look at the first page and basically go on the first page. I'm sure when you search something on Google, you're never really going to the second page of the Google results. So coming down here and clicking next isn't really an option unless all these guys are pretty much dropping the ball, and customers can't seem to find them. So if we come over here, continue going, you guys are on page 3. So if we come over here, so yeah, so you guys are on the top of page 3, JH Appliance Repair, top of page 3, and nobody's really gonna find your business all the way up here, So what you really want to do is to do the following. Number one, the first thing you want to optimize is content on your home page. You do have some content here. Um, I think there's another website, I believe Ace Appliance has a similar look. I'm not sure if the content's the same, but you want to have unique content specific to your website, something that has been created and written specifically for your website, which is easy to do. You really just have to do it. And after you do it, kind of cross-reference it and make sure it's not, no plagiarism involved or anything like that. So getting some really good fresh content on your website is pretty much a must. Also getting a nicer, neater photo on the web page will be key for you guys as well. And I also see that you do have a gallery over here. You have some pretty good photos. That's key. Customers can come through, testimonials. Um, and I see you also have a blog on here as well. You definitely wanna keep the blog going up. Looks like your last post was on May 7th, but this is good. You have blog posts. You definitely want to sometimes take those blog posts and stick it on your homepage so that you can have some content on your homepage as well. So when Google the Google search engine crawlers comes through and then starts looking at all the words and numbers and the menus and everything on your website. When they go to your homepage, they'll see content relating to repairs, appliance repair, how to maintain what you guys do, and just more keywords like appliances, like residential refrigeration stove, and just see more of those words come up again and again and again in a more natural way on the home page of your website. So getting some more content on the home page of your site, which is pretty much the most important one, will definitely get people, will get Google anyway to like your website more and push it more towards the top. So that's going over content. The next thing is backlinks. So the idea of a backlink, it's like a vote. Um, Votes from different websites, and websites linking to your site is essentially a vote. It's like your neighbors saying J.H Refrigeration is a really good repair service. Please take a look at them. They do good work. Versus the president of the United States saying, you know, J&H Refrigeration is really good, really solid. Please check them out. Essentially, they're both one vote, but one weighs a lot heavier and has a lot more weight behind it. So you want to get backlinks or votes from a lot of different websites. And what I can do is I could come over here to this tool that I use called Majestic, and it's very important for an SEO business to use. And that what shows the kind of backlinks that websites have. So this website, one of your competitors, Red Green Appliance, has two referring domains, basically two votes on their website, and it's these two right here. And what you can see is these two metrics right here, citation and trust flow. Trust flow is really a very important one. The higher the trust flow is, you know, the more Google will like your website, but you don't want it just to be high. You want to get it higher with referring domains being relevant. So you don't want it from arts and television being in the appliance repair. You want it from, you know, home and garden websites, from contractor websites, home improvement websites, things like that that are actually relevant to your business. So you really want them to be a lot higher, but you also want the websites that are voting for you to be high as well. So you see 0 and 11, 0 trust flow and 11 citation flow. Same thing here, 0 and 0. You know, that's very poor in the eyes of Google. So even though, you know, they're not doing very well, they're pretty much doing better than anyone else. This is TIS appliance repair as well. You know, they have three referring domains, and it shows 0 and 11, 0 and 0, 0 and 0 here, which is why their trust flow is 0, because it's pretty much averaging from these sites as well. And theirs is a 14. And this is your guys's backlinks. You have two currently, but you have a 0 and 11, and you know, 0 and 0 as well. You know, so you are on top sites, top appliances, appliance repair in Lexington, and you also on appzo.com. So you know, you are pretty similar to these guys in terms of you know, getting some results. But it looked like they had another one here that that is still giving them some sort of juice. So that's the top two things. You want to get some more backlinks and you want to increase your content. And those two things, even though it's 20% of the things that can be done to increase your search engine optimization, it pretty much produces 70% of the results. So those are two things you can do so that you can stop from being here to being on the map pack of Google, dominating the competition and getting your website ranked #1. So if you're interested in learning more about what kind of partnership Taurus SEO is looking for, what kind of business you want to engage with, please just email us back or give us a call. You can see our phone number in the email. We'd be more than happy to chat with you, see if we can work together, if it's a good fit, and go forward from there. So hopefully this video was a good help. Hopefully you liked it, and I hope that it'll help your business grow and bring some more customers knocking on your door. So thank you very much, and have a good day.